In a pivotal moment within the marbled halls of State Supreme Court in Lower Manhattan, Stormy Daniels, the adult film actress entangled in a legal battle with former President Donald Trump, concluded her testimony in a case that peels back the curtains on hidden transactions and alleged attempts to silence past indiscretions. Notably cast in a role far removed from the glaring lights of her usual stage, Daniels found herself in the center of a legal storm, recounting her alleged sexual encounter with Trump in 2006, the ensuing hush money payments, and the non-disclosure agreement brokered by Trump's fixer to muzzle the affair, all while void of the public's prying eyes as cameras were barred from the courtroom. Throughout her testimony, Daniels' narrative remained consistent under the weight of cross-examination, pointing out the ironies of being a vivid bringer of salacious details, yet standing obscured from public view in the courtroom. Dressed more for court than for the camera, she resisted being boxed into the defense's portrayal of her as a profit-driven opportunist, emphasizing instead a compelled silence riven with personal consequences, from threats to her safety to hefty legal fees owed to Trump. The legal skirmishing extended beyond the witness stand. The courtroom drama featured defense attorneys arguing over the relevance of Daniels' testimony, viewed by them as prejudicial and potentially biasing the jury against Trump, who faces charges of falsifying business records linked to these payments. Trump's legal team sought, albeit unsuccessfully, a mistrial and modifications to a gag order preventing the former president from publicly rebuffing Daniels' claims, underscoring the contentious nature of the proceedings. The judge underscored the integrity of the trial process over individual claims, drawing lines Trump's defense found hard to cross without further complicating their legal strategy. This chapter in the legal odyssey not only strains the fibers of Trump's previous presidential fabric, but also casts a long shadow over his potential political future. As Daniels walked away from the courthouse, shielded once again by a dark cloak of anonymity, her testimony leaves behind questions of credibility, the influence of power in legal agreements, and the ever-present battle between privacy and the public's right to know. The irony of her most consequential role being played out of sight does not diminish its potential impact on a saga that continues to hold the nation in thrall.